Tired of missing out on your grail items? Let's get you winning bids on Stockx, guaranteed. First, find the item you want. Use the search bar at the top to type in the exact name and model of the product you are looking for. Accuracy is key. Once you're on the product page, resist the urge to click buy now. Instead, focus on that tempting bid button. This is where the magic happens. Stockx will suggest a current highest bid, but don't blindly accept it. Do your research. Check recent sales history to see what the item is actually selling for. Go slightly below the most recent sale price for a better chance of winning. Now, this is critical. Set a bid price you're comfortable paying. Don't get caught up in bidding wars and overspend. Consider the demand. Highly sought-after items will require more competitive bids. Before you finalize, carefully review your bid amount, including shipping fees and taxes. Make sure you are happy with the final price. Hit that confirm bid button and €10 patience. Your bid is now live. You will receive notification if your bid is accepted or expires. Remember, winning bids takes strategy and a bit of luck. Repeat these steps, be smart about pricing, and you will see your Stockx game get better. Good luck, and happy bidding.